I didn't fight a smart fight, and yeah, no, I'm not happy with my performance at all, and I wasn't 100% today. You know, I felt good, but you know, just leading up to this fight, I didn't fight a smart fight, and no, I think that I just kind of went for it a little more in the second round, but you know, my timing was really off. I didn't get the right type of sparring that I was needing, and you know, I didn't spend enough time working with my trainer the way that I should have, and you know, it was back and forth about a lot of things this whole you know, time I had to train for this fight. So I made it to the gym, and you know, I was there. I put in the hours, and I did everything I was supposed to do. And it was just the mandatory workouts and things that you know that I have to do to make it through the, you know, it's just a mandatory amount of things that I do. That's what got me through it. But I wasn't working out 100%. No, I think that I just kind of went. No, I think that I just kind of went.
Who's this, dude?
That was a long time ago. I was outside of City Bikes trying out my bike, making sure I was all dialed in right. Because I was about to go do. Because I was about to go in right. Because I was about to go.